Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial we want to go I want to continue from where we ended the last time on our recap on our beginner tutorial series. This particular video we want to focus on the chords, the major chords G, C and D. You should familiarize yourself by now, but if you're new, no problem. You can look on the screen for the chords that we will be using. They are very simple for us to use, so we'll just go straight to this tutorial. And if you're not familiar with the video, you can check my YouTube channel and you see the guitar beginner tutorial 7, the major chords G, C, D for beginners. So I'll just go back to our tutorial for the day. So let's look at what we have. We are starting with G. So G, we'll go back to the basics. You know how to form a major chord. Your 3 sorry, the G major is the 1 2 sorry the 1 3 then the 5. So that is G, this is B, and this is D. So G, B, D. No need to memorize this now. You can take your time and go through the theory, and let's look at the G. So some people prefer to use their index finger for their first note, so you can look at how the chord diagrams are. Some people prefer this, the index on the 5th string. Remember from our beginner tutorial, the first tutorial, that we count the string from the bottom. So the 5th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, index, middle finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, then the pinky, or you can either put the pinky. I think I'll advise maybe the pinky, because the other G, since this note, what is this note? This is D. So D is also in G. You can choose to play. You have this, or you can choose not to play that note. And yeah, but let's what I use is I start with the index, the middle, 1 2 3. That's my G. Yeah, it makes it easy for me to transition to C. Well, either way, it should be easy with this. So let's look at C. So C, 1st string, 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 4th string, and 3rd fret, 5th string. That's the C. And D is 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string. That's for your index finger. Then the middle finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, then 2nd string, 3rd fret for your middle finger. That's D. So if you remember G, or if you prefer this way, so let's stick to what I use. G, C, D. We are not going to do any strumming pattern for now. Let's stick to one simple strum. C, then D. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if this was helpful. If you are new to this learning the guitar, let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my YouTube channel. Kindly check my other tutorials. I have a bunch of tutorials that will help beginners. There are people that have testified they really enjoy it, and let me know if it's helpful for you too, and feel free to suggest in comments what you think I can do to improve to make it easier for beginners. Thank you and see you next time. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon so that you see I'm hearing myself, so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you.